Hey guys, this is Amanda Hurl with the Tech Department at Elkin City Schools. Just wanted to send out a quick tutorial on how to download the TelWare phone system to your cell phone so that you will be able to answer your calls when someone calls the extension that is tied to your office or classroom. The first thing you need to do is you need to open your email, and up here at the search bar you can type in welcome 3CX or welcome to 3CX phone system, just something simple up there at the top in the search bar. Once you get this typed, then hit enter and you will see several emails pop up. Probably, maybe not. You might just find one. Mine has several. But I can see here the one I'm looking for is the one on March the 13th. And you can see the date that's right here, right there. So I'm going to click on that one. And when you click on it, your email should look something like this. It should start out by saying, "Hi, Amanda Hurl." Actually, mine says Amanda Hurl. Yours will say your name. You need to make sure that you verify that is your name and that this is the date that you're looking for. I think they sent one out earlier in the year, but this is the one that they just sent out here recently. The next thing you need to verify is that this is your true extension right here, the one that is attached to your classroom or your office. Um, at the bottom, there are some attachments that will be on this email. The attachment that you are looking for is the QR code. Once you click on that, and make sure that you don't click on the download or the drive. You're just going to kind of click up here in the top in the middle. If you just click on it, it opens it in another window. Just leave that up for just a few minutes because now we're going to go to your cell phones, and I have done a short video of my screen where I downloaded my app on my phone. Whether you have an Android or a phone, it will work the same. You're going to either go to App Store on your cell phone, your Apple cell phone, or you are going to go to the Play Store on Android phone. So once you go there, then you're going to search for 3CX. This right here is what you may or may not see both of them. The first one is 3CX. This one down here that says web meeting, that's not the one that you're going to choose. So once you get it downloaded, then you'll be able to open the app. And you're going to get a couple of pop-up boxes that comes up. You can allow them all. This just allows for notifications. It allows for your speakerphone, some other options. You can always go back into your settings and change this information after you have installed the app. So I just clicked allow just now for tutorial purposes. Once you get to the end here, you will see 3CX successfully installed. Now, this tells you a little bit of information here. What you need to be concerned about is it's going to ask you to scan the QR code. Now, if you have your QR code still up on your computer, it'll be easy for you to just flash your camera in front of the QR code and grasp it that way. It's a very quick process. It takes about 2 seconds to do. So you will go back over to your cell phone, click scan QR code. You will see in this video it's a very quick process. So I clicked scan QR code. I held my phone up to my QR code on my computer and you could see how quick that was. You're going to wait for just a few seconds for it to gather the information that is connected to your extension to your cell phone. You can see here that it says Amanda Hurl. Once you see on hook, it will show waiting for network. And now you'll see that it is available. Once it says it's available, back it up just a little bit. You know that you've successfully downloaded and it is attached to your extension if you see your name here, on hook, and available. There are 5 options down at the bottom. The first one is status. That's the one I'm going to talk about first. The first one is when you click on status, you can see that it's blue right here. I don't know that you can see the word status, but it does say status down there. Under the option status are all of the in-district extensions. These are everybody that elementary, at central office, at the middle school, and at the high school. So you can call somebody at the elementary school the same way that you did when you were at your office or classroom at school. So you can see also there's a couple of different things here that you probably did not notice or see or recognize on your phones back in your classrooms or office. Here you can see there's the different colors. The green means that it's available. This one is red. It says do not disturb. There's one here that says in a call. When I did this video, it just showed the different statuses that people have on their phones. All right. The next option is contacts. This is a screen where you will see all of your contacts. So you can see here it says 3CX, and then you see an Apple icon. The Apple icon is just contacts that I have in my cell phone. And the 3CX are the extensions, of course, that you can see. So under this contacts option right here, it combines it. The status is just your extensions. There's also a keyboard feature that if you know the party's extension, you can just dial it directly. So I think I dialed somebody's extension here. Yeah. So right here, I dialed Ricky Roop. I didn't finish the call, so he's probably wondering why I called. But anyway, you can go ahead and call the extension as soon as you know it. The fourth option here is all of the calls that either you missed coming in, going out, or all of them. So this is kind of if you forgot a number, but you know you call it all the time, you don't feel like looking through there, you can click this fourth option here, and you'll be able to see some of the calls that went out and came in. Okay, the next thing is, let me back this up just a little bit. Right up here, where I was talking about before, this is the green. This green right here shows that your call is available. So if someone gets ready to call you, they can see that you're not on another call. Again, right here, you can see that this person is in a call. And on this app, it's kind of cool because it tells you what it is. You don't have to click this button every time. Now, if you do want to put your call on Do Not Disturb, maybe you're doing a tutorial or something like that, you don't need your phone ringing in the middle of it, you can click this up here, this green box. And right here is the screen that you will use. You can click available, away, do not disturb, I'm going to lunch or business trip, that kind of thing. And each time you click on one of these options, it gives you several other options. So you just kind of have to play around with each of those options and see what works best for you. Once you go back to this screen, there is another option that you can go to that has your voicemails. So you're thinking, oh my gosh, I have to call into my voicemail. You don't from this app. You simply click this envelope right here, and this will show you all of the voicemails that have been left. You can see that I have a few in there that I need to look through. But you can see all the ones that have been left in your voicemail. So you can just do everything straight from this screen and from this app. Another really cool feature about this app is that you can do also conference calls. So once you're in the conference call, you will see an option within that call that you can do that says conference, and that's just so you can add another someone else to the call. It's a kind of a different advanced feature, but this video hopefully will get you through to at least downloading the app onto your phones. And if you have any other questions or concerns or need some additional help, just give us tech help email or give us a call, and we will be happy to help you with it. Thanks. Have a great day.